surgical breast procedure is breast reduction. This is in fact not always cosmetic, but sometimes it is done to relieve functional problems like backache, neck pain. Some women have disproportionately large breasts, and the weight of their breast gives them backache, neck pain, difficulty in carrying out physical activities, difficulty in choosing clothes of their choice. These women require reduction in size of their breasts. This procedure is called breast reduction. There are different ways or different designs of breast reduction, but in most of these breast reduction surgeries, some amount of breast tissue and skin is removed. Remaining amount of breast tissue is rearranged. You always get proper breast lift in breast reduction position. If size of areola is stretched and enlarged, this size can be reduced to the normal. This is a brief idea about 3 most commonly done cosmetic breast procedure. If you want to know more, you can book appointment with us. You can watch different videos on our YouTube channel. We have a lot of videos covering different surgical and non-surgical cosmetic procedures on our YouTube channel. If you are planning to undergo any of these procedures, you can watch our videos for more information. If you enjoy watching our videos and wish to watch more videos which we'll be publishing in future, please press the bell icon so you will get information about all our future videos. Also, don't forget to share and like these videos. Thank you.